What we're doing here is we're putting 700 pounds on the back of the overhang, and we're gonna weigh it, okay, empty, and we're gonna weigh it full. We're gonna put it on the alignment machine, and we're gonna demonstrate the difference of the alignment angles when it's weighed on the back end like this, heavy, and then when it's empty, and then we'll show you the figures and how it gets affected.
Tech Time Tuesday.
So, like we previously stated, the back of the coach had the 700 pounds, which we measured. We're gonna have a printout in the video, okay? And that pushes down on the rear of the coach, okay? Giving us a little bit of positive camber, okay? So, if you can picture, if you've ever loaded up a truck on the back and it lifts up the front of the steering and you get really poor steering, you get wanders all over the road. There's not as much of the weight on the tires to give you traction. Okay, the same thing is happening with the coach. You already have a ton of overhang. There's a bunch of weight back there. Okay, so what we did is took half of the weight out. Okay, that is putting weight back onto the front, giving us negative camber when we put the weight back on. Okay, so what we want on the front is 3/10 of a degree on the driver's side, 1/10 of a degree on the passenger side. Gives us a little help for the crown. On the caster, on the split, we want 7/10 of a degree on the caster. Got to have 7/10 in order to hold the road, or else if you have too much, it'll pull to the left. Not enough, it'll drift off to the right. Okay, so that's what we found out, that it gives us the best alignment, less of the cutting on the wheel, all the wander. It just wants to go straight. And then if you're having difficulty getting those numbers, a Safety Plus is always a good help, but that only helps with directional stability. So that's our Tech Time Tuesday. Thanks for coming by. See you next time.
Tech Time Tuesday.